Hello guys, welcome back to Masla. This video is about the truth of some MNCs that they doesn't want you to know. In 2010, the population was 6.9 billion, which has grown to 7.8 billion in 2021. As the population is growing rapidly, the demand for resources is also increasing. And every year, 2 billion tons of waste is generated worldwide, which is expected to increase by 70% till 2050. In which 80 million tons is the plastic waste that enters the world ocean every year. For decades, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Nestle and other consumer companies have relied on the myth of recycling to avoid the responsibility of their plastic pollution. Now, let's get deep into it. But before that, make sure to subscribe our channel and press that notification so that you don't miss any other video. Now, back to the video. First, Pepsi. Pepsi produce 2.3 million tons of plastic packaging every year, in which they have 0% of reusable plastic packaging. They are named one of the top global plastic polluters every year in the global brand audit. Second, Coca-Cola. They produce 120 billion throwaway plastic bottles every year, over 3,800 a second, and they are still increasing the number of single-use plastic bottles they use. They have been named the top plastic polluters in every global brand audit to date. Third, Nestle. They have used 1.3 million tons of throwaway plastic packaging in 2020 and less than 1% of their packaging is reusable. And they are also named one of the top global plastic polluters every year in global brand audit. These companies have played up recycled content as a way to continue using harmful single-use plastic. Their plastic addiction is also feeding the climate change and environmental injuries. It's a high time to stop the pollution at source, and reducing the production of plastic can be the first step. So next time when you buy a product by these companies, remember, what's the real cost you're paying? Exclamation mark. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and follow us on Instagram at @masla. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.